In this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from MEXC Global to Trust Wallet safely and step by step. First, open Trust Wallet on your phone and unlock it. On the main screen, find the coin you want to receive. For example, USDT, BTC, or ETH. Tap the token, then tap Receive. You'll see your wallet address and a QR code. Make sure you check the network shown at the top, like BEP20, ERC20, or TRC20, then tap Copy to copy the address. Now open the MEXC app or website and log in. Go to Assets Arrow Spot and confirm that the same coin is in your Spot wallet, not in Futures, Margin, or Earn. If it's not, transfer it back to Spot first so it's available to withdraw. Next, tap Withdraw, make sure crypto is selected, and choose the token you're sending. Paste the Trust Wallet address into the address field, then select the same network you saw in Trust Wallet. Enter the amount, review the network fee, and double-check coin, address, and network. When everything looks correct, confirm the withdrawal and complete any email, SMS, or Google Authenticator checks. You can then monitor withdrawal history on MEXC and your Trust Wallet balance until the funds arrive. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.